Hello, welcome to Bright Mathematical Solutions. We are looking at the 2022-2023 NABTEB examination, and we are looking at the theory part of the mathematics questions. Today we are at 2B, and it's a series. For other solutions in the series, please check my channel, they are very much available. Now, the question says a girl cover the distance in J meters in 1 second. The question now says find her average speed in kilometer per hour. The distance she covered in Z hours. Now, for the first one, the formula for finding speed, and that is distance all over time taken. Now, this is to be found in kilometer per hour, but we are given that she traveled in meters per second. Now, the first thing is to convert the meters and the seconds into kilometer per hour. Now, for the distance, she traveled in J meters, and 1,000 meters makes 1 kilometer. So the distance she traveled will now be J, that is J all over 1,000. Now, for the time she travels for the time she travels, that's 1 second, and 160 seconds makes 1 minute, 60 minutes makes 1 hour. So for the time she travels at 1 second. For it to be in hour, that will be 60 multiplied by 60, that is 1 all over 33,600. So speed will now equals J over 1,000 divided by 1 all over 3,600. So J all over 1,000 multiplied by 3,600. So this will cancel this. So this will now become 36J all over 10, and this will give us 3.6J kilometer per hour. So that is the time she travels. Now, the second question now says a distance she covered in Z hours. So if she travels, this is the speed is 3.6 J kilometer per hour. So, and she travels, and the distance she covered and the time is Z hours. So the distance will now be speed multiplied by the time. So that will now become 3.6 J multiplied by Z. That will now be 3.6 J Z kilometer per hour. So that is the solution. Thank you very much. For any query or any question, please put it in the comment section. I will definitely attend to it. Till I see you next time, remember to subscribe to this channel and turn on the notification bell. Thank you very much.